Phantom Power's evil plot to rule the planet be foiled by our courageous hero, Dr. Sound Effects? Tune in next week for the exciting conclusion of Escape from Planet XLR. We interrupt this broadcast to bring you the following breaking news story. A gang of supervillains has just escaped from the local penitentiary and is terrorizing the streets of metropolises across the country with a death ray that consumes all the energy from living life forms. But never fear, Blastwave FX has just released a secret weapon of their own, the Heroes and Villains Sound Effects Library. That's right, the world's first professional superheroes sound effects library, packed to the brim with 1,000 HD broadcast wave files, will help us in our battle against substandard soundtracks. Categories for this caped collection of heroism and evil include superpowers, weapons, fight impacts, robots, science fiction doors, gadgets, utility belts, vehicles, ambiences, technical sounds, alarms, crashes, explosions, and tons more. As a bonus, the library includes a special collection of heroic and villainous musical stingers. Every sound effect was recorded using space-age technology to deliver 24-bit 96 kilohertz broadcast wave files, complete with comprehensive metadata compatible with your favorite search engine. Save the world or destroy it with Heroes and Villains from Blastwave FX. The new wave in sound effects.